Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Alif Mandito. I am student in University of Muhammadiyah Tangerang, Faculty of Law. I want tell you about law in Indonesia. Indonesia legal system is a fusion of several legal system. Indonesian legal system is a combination of religious law, customary law, and the law of European countries, especially the Netherlands as a nation that once colonized Indonesia. The Netherlands was in Indonesia for about 1305 centuries. So it's not surprising that many of their inherited civilization belong to the legal system. One of them is the customary rules that live and survive until now. The value of customary law are one of the source of law in Indonesia. Indonesia is the country with the largest Muslim population in the world, so it's not surprising if the Indonesian nation also use a religious law, especially Islam as a guide in life and also a source of Indonesian law as well. Along with the length of the history of this nation, of course, the journey of the legal system embraced by Indonesia also undergoes change as well. The law itself includes various regulations that determine and regulate the relationship between one person and another that can be called the legal method of community regulation. Everyone must follow and obey the rules and be bound by the law so that order in society can be realized. The legal system is binding and becomes the basis or guide to do everything in accordance with its rules. They are characteristic of the legal system embraced by Indonesia. These characteristics are: there are orders and prohibition, there are strict sanctions for violation. Order and prohibition must be obeyed for the whole community. When it comes to the legal system currently applied in Indonesia, it will focus on the criminal justice system and the civil legal system. Criminal law is part of public law. Criminal law is divided into two parts, namely material criminal law and formal criminal law. Material criminal law regulates the determination of criminal act, perpetrators of criminal acts, and criminal sanctions. The criminal justice system in Indonesia, for its material criminal justice system, is regulated in the penal code, while the formal criminal law system, which regulates the implementation of material criminal law, has been passed by law number 8 of 1981 on criminal proceeding, or KUHP, while civil law is defined as provisions governing the rights and interests of individuals in Indonesian society who in practice, because Indonesia is a former Dutch colonial state and is a majority Islamic religion, also has a diverse culture, much influenced by the tradition of European continental law or civil law, namely private law or civil law, also influenced by Islamic value, especially for Muslim, namely Islamic law. In the Constitution, it is clearly said that the state of Indonesia is a state of law. From this statement can provoke the thought that Indonesia is not this country of justice. Why would that be said? We can see the reality around us today. One example is how easily a grandmother who stole 3 pieces of cocoa was punished as heavy as a person who corruption millions of rupiah. Think someone who only steals 3 pieces of cocoa that if sold only a few thousand and does not harm many people with people who steal state money that harms the whole community, especially small community, could get the same punishment. The upper class sees the law as merely a game, and small community are increasingly miserable with the existence of the law in this country, where in the constitution require that the law is a just thing, where all equal before the law. There is no influence on office, money, or even power. Surely there have been many similar cases that we see and watch on television. Very mirrors, of course, because that legal system in Indonesia today seems pointed down but blown upwards. If you ask about justice, then of course that is not justice expected by all Indonesians. It is no longer taboo if our country legal system can be bought with money. Even at outstanding facts show the results, that is so easy for law enforcement officials to be breed, so that it can then affect the legal process that is carried out, especially for those who have the capacity as a powerful person. If such conditions continue, then it does not close the possibility that public confidence in the law will decrease, so that the law of the jungle will be clearly applied. Surely this will cause new problems, especially instability and security in people's lives, so that the government assertiveness and effort to restore the image of Indonesian law is now beginning to be tarnished by the action of irresponsible person. Law is the part of the effort to achieve justice in society. Guess is not exactly the same as justice. Justice is the law, but the law is not the only way to create justice. Indonesian law is a political product. Therefore, our law should be more progressive, given that interest of all parties can be quickly conveyed, thus the hope of people's happiness is realized. The current Indonesian legal system and its impact on society is certainly a picture of how the legal system is currently underway in our country. Broadly speaking, that illustrates how the law runs in Indonesia. Hopefully, the law in Indonesia will be better in the future. Thank you. I hope you can know about my law. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.